Hello everyone and welcome to Fun Facts about Birds.
Toys for you.
Did you know that birds are related to dinosaurs? More precisely to biped dinosaurs like the T-Rex. No dino or teddy bear were hurt in this movie, so smash that like button and continue watching. Thank you! Did you know that all birds lay eggs? Did you know that even though not all birds fly, all birds have feathers? Well, they help control the wind when flying through the air for those who fly, or they keep them warm in the winter for those who don't fly. Hey, did you know that birds don't have teeth? Well, that's another way of not having cavities. Did you know hens and ducks are great moms? They can raise other animals among their ducklings.
Bonus clip.
Hey, listen!
Let's have an understanding. Now what? Brother, what a way to run a railroad. Now, as I was saying... All right, let's get this picture started.